It's Mike Beck. I'm the director of the Center for Coastal Climate Resilience at the University of California, Santa Cruz. And I'm here on Laughing Bird Caye, part of a national park in Belize, for an NSF-supported project called Strong Coast, where we're looking at climate risks and equitable nature-based solutions. And as part of that project, what we're trying to do is to be able to assess the impacts of reef loss and reef restoration on shoreline protection. Here on Laughing Bird Caye, they've seen enormous erosion, as you can see behind me. But working with some of our partners, including in particular Fragments of Hope, they're working to restore the coral reefs right here to reduce those waves and help hopefully reduce that erosion and bring back some of the sand. We just got out of the water looking at their restoration sites, and it's incredible what they've done. An enormous amount of live staghorn and elkhorn coral, even in this season when we've seen a ton of coral bleaching throughout the Caribbean. They've seen some here, but their coral is actually very healthy in shallow water. They're doing an incredible job, and we're going to be measuring some of the wave breaking provided by those corals and looking at the long-term evolution of this caye and how we help save it.